harapan
ada di dalam
jin kita.
আশা করি এটা আমাদের জিনে আছে।
La
Esperanza
está
en nuestros
genes.
Aşa আমাদের অস্তিত্বে আছে।
Harapan ia di dalam genetik kita.
Rewadi ngaciragi jeans narayula.
उम्मीद हमारे खून में है।
希望就在我们的基因里。
Nchekube dinabara.
Each year, over 1,000 patients, advocates, caregivers, and other members of the rare disease community gather at the Rare Patient Advocacy Summit hosted by Global Genes. This year, we're excited to welcome everyone back and connect advocates and communities from around the world. From September 27th to the 29th, participate in live interactive sessions, watch select films from the Disorder Channel, connect with your peers online, engage in question and answer sessions, and interact with our virtual exhibit hall. We're also excited to include members from around the world as we host our first ever international regional meetings from Southeast Asia, Africa, and Australia focused on rare diseases. Whether you're able to join us for all or part of the Rare Patient Advocacy Summit, we thank you for taking time out of your day to support, connect, inspire, and empower the rare disease community. We look forward to seeing you.